This is Tajammul Adil. This video is in collaboration with Mirfak Audio. The Mirfak TU1 Desktop Microphone is a great plug-and-play microphone designed to allow users to make the best of their games, podcasts, and voiceovers. Let's unbox it and see what's inside the box. This is the Mirfak Audio website and you can order from this website. So let's continue. The high-quality TU1 USB microphone has dedicated volume and echo controls to adjust the sound, while the headphone jack allows for live monitoring. The easy-to-use TU1 microphone is a true plug-and-play solution that's ready to use without software. Mount the Desktop TU1 with accessories such as a tripod and test the microphone's recording level. After connecting the USB Type B to TU1, we need to connect the USB Type A to the laptop. You will notice that there is a USB audio device installed on the laptop after connecting the cable. The one-button mute feature protects your privacy, intelligently reduces noise, and improves voice quality. Equipped with the headphone jack, you can listen to what you record with the TU1. Set the volume to about 70% and view the recording curve in the audio recording software. Hello, 1 2 3 1 2 3 testing 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. This is mic testing. The echo to 70% and volume buttons provide real-time volume and help you quickly find your voice characteristics. Hello, 1 2 3 1 2 3 testing 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. This is mic testing. TU1 Desktop Microphone is perfect for gaming, podcasting, streaming and voice recording. I will post its full review in a couple of days. The Mirfak Audio TU1 Desktop Microphone is only in $72.99, and you can find the Mirfak Audio website link down below in the video description. If you are interested in various product reviews, click on this playlist. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.